Let me share the screen. Tell me, is it visible? This is screen.
Yeah.
Okay. So here, see, actually we are doing this amines. The new chapter we have started, amines. So right side I have written all amines are alkyl or aryl derivative of ammonia. So there is ammonia, and this in ammonia nitrogen has three hydrogen atoms. So either one hydrogen you replace, or two hydrogen, or all three hydrogen replace, but there should be alkyl chain, carbon. So if there is a carbon chain at the place of three or one or two hydrogen atoms of the ammonia, that derivative product will be amines. Clear? And this is represented by R or ArNH2. Like at the place of R, we can write here CH3 group, which is methyl group. See here it is written. This is methyl amine, aliphatic amines. If alkyl group is there, so this is aliphatic amines. And if any benzene or derivative of benzene is there, aromatic ring, like benzene C6H5NH2. So this is aromatic amines. So there will be two type of amines, aliphatic, aromatic. Aliphatic means aliphatic carbon chain, and aromatic amines means the nitrogen atom of ammonia attached to the aromatic ring. So in this amines chapter, I have distributed the topic here. In first slot, we will try to finish the classification and the nomenclature. And then in the second slot, we'll do the method of preparation. And in third slot, we will do the properties of amines. And in the fourth slot, we will do this benzene diazonium salt. This is a separate compound. We will see it there. So like this is ammonia, see. And in ammonia, there are one hydrogen, second hydrogen, and third hydrogen. So if you remove either one hydrogen or both two hydrogen or three hydrogen by R or AR, so this substituted product will be amines. So this is amines. Have you got it? Have you got it?
There and that aliphatic and aromatic, you were telling that one. Can you write it?
So aliphatic, like if nitrogen atom attached to aliphatic carbon chain, open chain structure, aliphatic hydrocarbon and aromatic hydrocarbon. You know there are two type of compounds in the nature.
Yes, sir.
Aromatic, like which has particular order, smell, like benzene, naphthalene, anthracene. Okay. So if any aromatic ring is attached to the nitrogen, so this will be aromatic, mean aromatic amines, aryl amines. And if there is no any aromatic ring, so the amines will be aliphatic amines.
No, sir, I understood. I'm telling if you can write it on there in short.
So in short, so in classification I am writing here.
Okay, sir.
Hmm. In classification I am writing here. So when we talk about amines, so you can classify these amines into two part. One is aliphatic, another is aromatic amines. Aromatic amines. Aliphatic, like CH3, CH2, NH2. If any alkyl group attached to the nitrogen, this is alkyl chain. So this is aliphatic. And if any ring attached to the nitrogen, like benzene ring or its derivative, so in this case, you can say this is aromatic amines. Now, if the nitrogen atom of amines, if this nitrogen atom of amines has one side carbon chain, so this will be considered as primary amines. But if the nitrogen, this nitrogen has two side carbon chain, so this will be what? Secondary amines. Have you got it?
Okay.
No.
I understood, sir. Two carbon chain means secondary amine.
So two side carbon chain is secondary amines. So the
Yes, sir.
same way, if we'll write three carbon chain, they might be same or different. Doesn't matter. R, N, and suppose if I'm writing here R dash, and here this is R dash dash.
Okay,
So
okay.
all three carbon chains should be same or may be different, but this will be if three carbon chain attached to the nitrogen. So this is
Yeah.
tertiary amine. This is tertiary amines. So on the basis of side chain attached to the nitrogen, we have primary, secondary, and tertiary, three different type of amines. So this is about the classification. Any confusion?
No, understood, sir.
Now, when we talk about structure of amines, structure of amines, so you can see this amines, this is nitrogen and this is hydrogen, and there is one lone pair. So around this here you can see one sigma, second sigma, and third sigma bond, and one lone pair. So we know the hybridization is equal to sigma bond plus lone pair. So this sigma bond will be equal to 3, 1, 2, 3, and lone pair is equal to 1. 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. So if this the value of H is coming 4, so you can say the hybridization will be 1 s orbital and 3 p orbital. 1 s orbital and 3 p orbital. So it will be sp3 hybridizations, 4 hybrid orbitals. So sp3 hybridization and with one lone pair. So sp3 hybridization generally has, see, sp3 hybridization with zero lone pair has tetrahedral structure. Tetrahedral structure. Tetrahedral structure. But with one lone pair, its structure is, with one lone pair, its structure is pyramidal structure. Pyramidal structure. Pyramidal structure. But if there will be two lone pair, so in the case
Sir,
of
how
two
is,
lone, yes,
sir, that
we,
4
hmm,
hydrogen means sp3?
it's not for hydrogen. This H is the hybrid orbitals.
Yeah,
This,
yeah, sorry. Then 4 hybrid orbitals means sp3.
hmm,
But sir, sp3 means um, carbon attached to 3 other atoms, right?
nitrogen attached to three other atoms.
So shouldn't it be 4 other atoms?
It may be four, but you know how
P
to write
means
the
sp2, right?
listen. You know how to write the electronic configuration?
Yes, sir.
This is nitrogen, and this nitrogen has atomic number 7. This central atom is nitrogen in amines. 1s2, 2s2, and 2p3. So this
Okay.
is this is your second cell and second cell. This is outermost cell. Outer cell means
Yes, sir.
valence cell. It will take part in bond formation. There is one s orbital and there will be three p orbital. This is px, py, and pz. So this s orbital has pair of electron 1 and 2, and p has single unpaired electron, 3 unpaired electron. So you can see
Yes,
this single unpaired electron will form single bond, single bond, single bond, and there will be one lone pair. So one lone pair and three single bond, three sigma bond. So one s orbital and p three orbitals. You can see p three orbital, px, py, pz. So
okay.
hybridization will be sp3. So this single electron involved in bond formation here. This single involved in bond formation here. This will form bond here, and this is lone pair electron present on the nitrogen. Any confusion?
Sir, but why didn't you make one more hydrogen on like this place?
Here,
Yes, sir.
if you write here hydrogen, this will be ammonia, not amines. You are going to make ammonia. If you
Oh,
wanted to
then we
make,
should write R there.
yes, there will be R, carbon chain. It might be one carbon, two carbon, three carbons. So I have drawn only the bond.
Okay, okay.
Yes. Now is it fine?
And sir, after that you told about this tetrahedral, pyramidal, and bent. That one also can you tell again?
Yes, yes, yes. So if there is, if suppose there is four hybrid orbitals. So if there is a four hybrid orbitals, so structure will be tetrahedral. Structure will be tetrahedral.
Okay.
And if there is one lone pair, if there is a four hybrid orbital, like suppose carbon is there, one, two, three, four, and all four bonds are there. There is no lone pair. So you can say its a structure is tetrahedral. Its structure is tetrahedral.
Okay, sir.
Its structure is tetrahedral. But in the case of here, there is one lone pair. So if you will put
Yeah.
one lone pair here at the place of this one hydrogen atom, and there will be only three bond. So you can see this is carbon chain, this is hydrogen, and this is hydrogen. So the structure will be look like pyramid. So this is pyramidal structure. Are you getting?
Yes, sir.
Pyramidal. So that's why I'm telling that this is pyramidal in shape.
Okay,
So when
okay.
we talk about amines, so in amines, nitrogen has single lone pair electron. So the structure will be what?
Pyramidal.
Pyramidal. There?
Yes, sir.
Yes. And if there will be two lone pairs, so the shape will be bent V shape. Clear? Now, now when
Sir,
you
there
talk
can be two lone pair also in mine.
in amine this is not possible. In sp3 hybridization, this is possible. In amines, the hybridization is sp3 with one lone pair. When you consider the H2O molecule, so this H2O has two lone pairs. Its structure is bent B, but the hybridization is sp3. Now the
Yeah,
bond
but
angle will be uh, here the bond angle
yes,
will be 108 degree. Yes, now
yes,
tell
sir.
me.
Yeah, yeah, but I'm saying that mine will always have pyramidal structure, right?
Yes, a mine will always have pyramidal structure.
Okay, okay.
Should I go ahead?
Yes, sure, sir.
This part is okay, fine, I think. Now we'll
Yes,
see the
sir.
yes, now we'll see the nomenclature of amines. Nomenclature of amines. So here, naming of amines.
Sir, can
Okay.
you just give me 1 minute?
You're going somewhere.
Yeah, yeah, just 2 minutes, sir.
2 minutes. Go.
Yes, sir, I'll just come back.
I will also come in 2 minutes. Go.
Okay, okay, sir. Yes, sir, I'm back.
Are you there?
Yes, sir, I came back that time.
So, naming of amines. So, when we talk about naming of amines, just a minute. So, here you see in the naming of amines, the suffix which is used, the suffix which we will use, the secondary suffix is amine,
Okay, sir.
amines, and as prefix, this is used as amino. When we will use the prefix, if there is any other senior functional group.
Okay.
In case of senior functional group, present, if any senior functional group present, so we will use the term amino. The rule is what for the nomenclature? First, we have to count the total number of carbon, main carbon chain. Here the main carbon chain, and after the main carbon chain, what you will write? That is the primary suffix. And this primary suffix will be either, I said you in previous class, either ANE or ENE or YNE. If carbon-carbon single bond is there, so this is ANE, double bond ENE, and triple bond YNE. Now, we will add secondary suffix into primary suffix. And secondary suffix in the case of amine is AMINE, which start with vowel. Start with vowel. So if this is started with vowel, so we will drop the E of primary suffix. This is E, and this is E. So this E of primary suffix will be dropped when secondary suffix start with vowel. Clear?
Okay.
And before the main carbon chain, what we will write? That is the prefix, and this prefix will be side chain.
Yeah.
Chain. For example,
Like
if I am writing here CH3NH2, so can you tell me that main carbon chain? How many carbon atom present here? The main carbon chain?
one, sir.
One. So what is the name of this one?
Methyl.
Meth. And suffix, primary suffix will be what? Single bond. See that there is a single bond in carbon.
Yes, sir.
If you draw the structure, so you will get single bond. You will get only single bond.
Yes,
It
sir.
means this, if in case of single bond, the suffix will be primary suffix will be ane.
Yeah.
So we will write ane. Just drop the e. Why? Because secondary suffix start with vowel. So
Yes,
don't
sir.
write e because secondary suffix amine start with vowel. So we will write amine.
Methylamine.
Second example, CH3, CH2, NH2. Tell me what is the name of this compound?
Um, ethanamine.
Exactly, ethanamine. If I am writing here CH3, CH2, CH2,
Sir, and if there was this carbon in the side chain, then we'll take it as methyl, right?
hmm.
Okay.
What is the IPSC name of this compound now?
So 5 carbons, so it will be pentane
We have to
to
start the
amine.
numbering. You start the numbering first.
From left side, right side, sir.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 carbon chain each.
Pent.
Very good. Pent.
Pent
AN.
and amine. To
Just
amine.
remove E and 2 dash amine. Any
Yes.
confusion?
No, sir.
If you are writing here CH3, CH2, CH and then NH2. And but if any senior functional group is there, like carboxylic acid, this is carboxylic acid. So now this is not amines. NH2 group is there. But if any senior functional group is there, so the entire chemical property will depends on senior functional group. So now it is not amines. This will be the carboxylic acid. This is carboxylic acid. So we start numbering from right side. Carbon one, two, three, four. So now here, this NH2 we will use as prefix. And in
Yes, sir.
prefix, I said that as prefix NH2 is named as. Tell me,
Amino.
amine.
Amino, sir.
This is a prefix in case of any senior functional group.
Yes, yes.
So in case of any senior functional group, this will be amino. So we can write amino present on second carbon. So 2 amino and 4 carbon is but and single bond A and E. E just remove and add. For this is oic acid. Oic acid. 2
Yes, sir.
amino butanoic acid. Have you got it?
Yeah. Understood.
If CH3, CH2 and nitrogen and again CH3 is there. Suppose this is secondary amines. This is secondary amine. So what we will do? Tell me. What is the IPSC name of this compound?
Uh, it will be two, uh, two amino. No, no, no. Sir, it will be ethane to
Yes. Hmm.
um, Ethane to methyl.
First you select the,
methyl.
see, in case of secondary or tertiary, just find out the long carbon chain first. Find out the long carbon chain. This is long carbon chain. And long carbon chain will be the main carbon chain. And now this short carbon chain, see that this is short carbon chain. This is carbon carbon. This is not continuous carbon. This is continuous carbon chain. And now this nitrogen is there. And this carbon chain is separate. So this is methyl.
Yes,
So
sir.
we will write it N-methyl. Methyl group attached to the nitrogen is N-methyl. This is N-methyl, and long carbon chain is ethane, ethanamine. Have you
Sir,
got
why
it?
methyl?
N-methyl for this one. This is N-methyl. CH3 group attached to the nitrogen. Got it?
Sir, but directly we can write methyl ethanamine, right?
This is why you will write directly methylamine and methyl. This methyl group attached to the nitrogen. So you have to write N-methyl. See the second example, then it will be clear. Suppose
Okay,
if
sir.
I am writing CH3, CH2 and CH2, and if I am writing here NCH3 and here I am writing NCH3, you can see two CH3 group attach, to the amines. So this will be the side chain. This will be the side chain. This is the
Yes,
side chain. What is the name of this one? This is
methyl.
N-methyl, and this is also N-methyl. Methyl group present, and these two
Yes, sir.
methyl group attached to the nitrogen, and
Yes,
this
sir.
carbon chain is the main carbon chain where we will put NH2. So this is N comma N dash dimethyl, N dash N dimethyl, and 3 carbon is propane, propanamine. Any confusion? N
No, sir.
dimethyl propanamine. You tell me what is the name of this compound now. What is the name of this compound?
Sir, it will be N-ethyl, N-methyl
Uh,
uh, butanamine.
so alphabetically you have to write, I think, first.
Ethyl.
This is, yes, this is ethyl. Alphabetically, ethyl will be senior, and this is
Yes,
methyl.
sir.
Methyl start with M. So you can write here N-ethyl, N-ethyl,
N-methyl
N-methyl, and total
butanamine.
carbon number 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon. So you can say that it's a butanamine. Butanamine. Any confusion?
No, sir.
Okay. Now, when we talk about aromatic compound, so in the case of aromatic, suppose there is a benzene. So in the case of benzene, if NH2 group attach here, so this compound is considered as aniline. Don't say that it's a benzamine. It's aniline. The entire name of this compound will be aniline. This is aniline. Now, if any other side chain attached to the ring, like C, suppose NH2 is there, and if I am writing here CH3, CH3, and here CH3, so this will be carbon number 1, carbon number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this CH3 group attached to This is CH3 group attached to the second carbon, fourth carbon, and sixth carbon. So you can write it. This is 2,4,6 trimethyl, trimethyl aniline, aniline. Have you got it? Have you got it?
Sir, you're saying that like how we studied R group attached to NH2, so that is also aniline and
Yes,
aliphatic aniline.
if
Sorry,
benzene attached to
aliphatic
the,
amine.
yes, benzene attached to the NH2 group, so the entire compound will be aniline.
Yeah, okay. And this second one you told 2,4,6 trimethyl aniline.
Yes,
So it won't be toluene or something because CH3 attached to benzene is also called as toluene, right?
it's a toluene, but see that it's not toluene. If NH2 group attached, so the functional group is NH2. So property depends on NH2, so entire compound will be aniline. So this CH3 will
Because the
be,
priority.
yes. So 2,4,6 trimethyl aniline.
Okay.
Here, if you are saying that it's a aniline, but N-methyl, this is N-methyl aniline. N-methyl aniline, because this CH3 group attached to the nitrogen of aniline. Here, two CH3 group attached to the nitrogen of aniline. See, so this is N and dimethyl aniline. Am I clear? Am I clear?
Um, okay, okay. Yes, sir.
Is there any confusion, doubt,
No,
problem?
no, no.
No.
Understood.
Yes. So this way you have to provide the naming to the compound. Now tell me what is the name of this compound? NH2, CH2 six times, then NH2. Tell me what is the name.
Um, it will be hexane diamine.
Hmm. Hexane diamine,
Yes, sir.
then diamine.
Because two amine groups are there.
Hmm.
And hexane means 6 carbon rings.
It's a
Hmm.
hexane, hexane 1,6 diamine. Because NH2 group
Oh,
present on the first carbon and the last six
yes, yes.
carbon.
Yeah, yeah, correct.
So
I thought
diamine.
only one carbon is there, so I forgot about the position.
Okay. Now tell me what is the name of this compound? Example number 5. Suppose if I am writing here NH2 CH2CH double bond CH2. Example number 6. What is the name of this compound?
Sir, it will be 3 carbon chain, so propane.
Hmm.
No, propene it will be. Propenamine. Propene 3-amine.
So how will you propene? Numbering?
Numbering will start from right to left.
Right
So
to left or
propene,
left to right? This is your functional group, which you are forgetting. This amine is a functional group. It's a main functional group. So you have to
Sir, but
start
double
numbering
bond is
from
also
here.
there, right?
2, 3. Priority, see, the priority is what? First, functional group, then double bond, then triple bond, then substituted group.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So now this is 3 carbon. So 3 carbon means pro. Very easy. Pro and N
Prop
in ine. Tell
to
me.
in. Prop to in amine.
2 E and E.
Yes, sir. No,
Remove it.
en amine.
1 amine. We have to now write the position for NH2 group because NH2 group present at the first carbon. It may be
Sir,
on the
but
second and
first
third.
position means we don't need to mention, right?
No, we can write. We have to show it.
Okay, sir.
Hmm. Otherwise, how you will know?
And sir, the meeting is going to end in 1 minute. So
Yes.
then can we join in 10 minutes?
After 10 minutes break.
No, no. Like after the meeting ends, then 10 minutes later can we join?
No, you want to take break of 10 minutes or we can start with
Yeah,
the
yeah, break.
another ID also we can use.
Sir, I'm saying 10-minute break and then we'll start.
Okay,
Is
okay.
that fine?
So yes, yes, it will be fine. After
Okay,
10-minute break, again we will join for the class
okay,
with the
sir.
same link.
Fine.
Clear?
Yes, sir, sure.
Hmm. So now you tell me what
Yes.
is that? Now you can do the nomenclature in your NCRT that there are many questions are given. Like 13.1, when you see the in-text question of 13.1, in text 13.1, see, classify them as a primary, secondary, and tertiary. And 13.2, write the isomeric form. So after the break, we will do it. Fine? After
Okay,
10
fine, sir.
minutes, you join it at 10:15, 10:25. Fine? You can leave.
Okay. Thank you, sir.